From a tough oxtail to a delicious stew you will love. Today I'm making a rich and a flavorful oxtail stew. Let's dive right in. So delicious, guys. Here is how our oxtail looks before cooking. I start by giving it a good wash. This helps to remove blood and odors. Now you can see how clean it is. Place it over a charcoal stove for roasting. This helps lock in flavors and gives the meat a nice smoke touch. I divide it into a big chunks. Once tender, I remove it from the fire. Next, I cut the roasted oxtail into pieces while pressing them into a pressure cooker. I add in some water. I season it with Royco, paprika, curry powder. I stir well to combine. I close the lid and plug it into an electricity socket. I set the timer for 50 minutes. This oxtail is quite tough. After 50 minutes, I open the lid and the oxtail is perfectly tender. I drain it from the soup and set it aside. In another pan, I add 3 tablespoons of oil. Let me chop my onions as oil heats up. Who else cries while cutting the onions? Add onions in and saute until soft. Tears always come out while cutting onions. I add 1 Royco cube and milk cube. Stir until they dissolve. I season with paprika, curry powder, I finish with black pepper. I stir everything to combine well. I add in the boiled oxtail. I wait for oxtail to absorb all spices. Now I dice my tomatoes into small pieces. Sprinkle a pinch of salt. Then I add in my diced tomatoes. I stir and cover the pot to simmer. It cooks, I chop the scallions. Then my scallions and stir very well to combine. I cut the green peppers. Let's add in our green peppers for flavor. I add in dissolved little Royco. By a 1/4 cup of the reserved soup. Give give it some heat, I add in nacho chili powder. Finally, I chop my fresh coriander. Add in coriander and close the pot to let the flavors settle. I open to check the progress. Then I finish it with a dash of soy sauce for that rich and dark color. Here is our delicious oxtail stew, full of flavor and perfectly tender. It's amazing! You have got to try this at home. Please subscribe, like, share for more authentic recipes from my kitchen. Thank you.